Hey guys, today we are back with some more white cat tips. And guys, I just made a video. It's called The Challenge. The Challenge, yeah. Go check that out. It will be in the link. I let people don't know. But yeah, guys, look at this. Guys, look at it. So, sneak peek. I don't know what sneak peek though. What do you want to guys do? Oh, cool. This is boring. No. Guys, I just want to pop it. It's upside down. It's so good. Oh, you know what this? Okay. Look it. Okay, white catch. Why am I doing that? Okay. Now I have the ow. That hurts. Guys, you haven't asked me for it. I actually don't know. But some of you on my Instagram account, which will be in the link description down below, asked, let me do a food. And I'm like, okay, so let me go get that. Well, this is it. It's nothing. It's a 6. I have the word for case. This is the only one I have. It's just weird. My phone's bone. I just have like text on it. Instagram, Snapchat, FaceTime. And guys, make sure you follow me. Oh, you know what? I've always wanted that. Yeah. It's like doing anything. Well, guys, skip. Just peace out. My camera's like charging. I'm doing it. I'm so tired. I better get that off. No, it's not coming off. Well, I don't care. Is it coming through? Don't go through. Woo, that was close. Today's just like a vlog. I guess. I don't know. And whatever I come up with, I'll do. Okay. I figured it out. Look at that. It's coming. I am showing you this slime. Try to guess what it is. Wait. Okay, try to. Oh, guys, 1 second. Oh. Try to guess what it is from looking at it right now. You might be thinking something, but it's really candy slime. Yeah, I put every type of candy in here. Well, except for bottle caps. But like Something melted. What? What kind of candy melts? Oh, Snickers. Oh, dear. But like when I pick the Laffy Taffy up, it's just messed up, bro. Look at this. Oh my God. Not good, kids. Never do this. It feels. Oh, this should be. Oh. If you want, just leave in the comment down below. Yeah, I don't think you would want this. If you do, then leave in the comment down below. Ew. Cause I'll give it to you. If you want the slime, leave in the comment down below and also say where you live so I can mail this to you. Ew, there's like water in it. Maybe say, no, I don't want the slime. You want the slime. I would want, oh, the blue tie-dye. This used to be a tie-dye. This was my best slime. Do you guys hear that? That's actually pretty good. You know what, guys? Come with me. I can't move you because my hands are wiggly. But guys, you see the sink? I'm adding water to it, guys. I am mixing stuff around. You heard me? Oh my God. Guys. My hands are sticky. I can't touch you. Oh wait, I need 1 second, guys. Emergency right now. Guys, please, I don't want to get you dirty here. This is a new one. Okay, is that what we'll do for now? But see this one. I added water to make it like better, and it just made it better. Guys, don't actually ask for this because I added water. Don't ask for this. If you do, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna give it to you because if you want this slime, I mean, it has water in it, but I'll take that out if you want. I bet no one's gonna ask for it. I'm getting one hand dirty at a time. Oh, why did I do this? Never make candy slime, kids, except not with Sour Patch Kids. Oh no! New shirt, more. This is no. Okay, you know what? I'm adding soap. Oh yeah, that's why I added soap. Let's see what it does. It just makes it smell good. I'm adding lotion to this. I have lotion. Yeah, that's right. I have lotion, guys. Who doesn't have lotion? You need lotion. Okay, I added lotion, and it works. Guys, it's working. It's becoming a slime. No, is it? Wish I could use it all. Okay, this is how I'm dumped it in, guys. I'll show you once my hand. Here's the last piece of it. Don't ask for it because I don't have it. I officially have no slimes. This was all of my slimes. I mixed together for my slime smoothie. It didn't post the video for some odd reason, actually. Literally, guys, what a coincidence. So, guys, don't try this at home. Your parents are going to yell at you. I gotta put this up before my mom knows. Oh, let's gonna wash my hands. Slime fail. This title is called Slime Fail already. The title is Slime Fail. Okay, well that was a coincidence. But I have to end this video because it already got messy. But make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and be a part of the squad. So, give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, I have to go, but bye, ching-ching.